Another day to lock in some big opportunities in this crypto market. I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, we're going to check out some tokens I'm looking into, some altcoins that I'm personally buying at the time of basically making this video. So we can see the market today. We have a neutral market environment. We've come back down a little bit from some of the greed that we recently had. And we do seem to get projected at $3 trillion quite often on the global valuation or blockchain. And hopefully we will see continuation here. Otherwise, it is just a big dead cat bounce overall. And also congrats to all the traders, all the patrons, and anyone who is in my free to join Discord. The link is indeed down below. Check it out or become a patron for as little as $4 per month. Like I say, that link is right down below. So do check it out. We've got tons of different options for you guys to make more money in this market. Now, first coin is the TARS AI token. This is packed with fundamental value. Yes, it did come down a lot from the top of the bull run. As you can see here, $312 million market cap. It did subside down to a bottom of 17 million. Recently pumped up to 85 million and is now back down a little bit. As you can see on this monthly time frame, it's actually in a great state. It's up 97%. You can see actually on the 7-day here, it's only down 13%. It's down a little bit on the daily time frame, but so are many other cryptos. This is the project here. So we can see the AI architecture protocol on Solana, symbiotic AI app ecosystem dedicated to over 1 million Solana users. It's an AI market access modular AI app and ecosystem products at a glance in one super app. So really nice, neat, tidy product, tons of fundamental value, great utility, and yeah, huge marketing and networking power for this token here. I do expect some big things for it in the next coming alt run. What else do we have? We've got Wagyu Cash. This is a new stealth launch / fair launch, guys. Okay, so what does this mean? It means this Saturday, the 10th of May, Wagyu Cash, this meme coin right here, is going live. They're going to drop their contract address and all the details within the Telegram, their official Telegram. The link to their Telegram is just down below, by the way, so do have a little look at that. It should be very, very worthwhile. Very excited. Over 200 KOLs are, looking at this. The community scale is going to be huge. I expect a massive volume here for this particular token on the launch. Now we can see the liquidity pool is to be locked in. It's built for long-term conviction. Seriously feeling bullish on Wagyu, and you can see right now there's not really much information being leaked or dropped because they're trying to keep things as secret and stealthy as possible. This could be absolutely insane, guys. I look forward to it. I really do hope to see something juicy for this token, and I think it could actually be a big possibility. So yeah, check it out down below. They're trending, they're getting the name out everywhere, and there are some seriously big names to talk about. Wagyu Cash. It's going to be low market cap, gives it that 10 to 100x potential. Very exciting. But of course, guys, remember, none of this is financial advice. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Next up, we have the SELE token, 76.8k followers. The next evolution in layer 2 technology does not just build up on Solana, it unlocks its full potential. So this is a Solana layer 2 scaling solution. As you can see from the website right here, SolX Crypto Presale, world's first Solana Layer 2. 120% staking rewards. They are in an ICO phase, and right now they've raised $33.4 million. So we're in the presale process. Then we'll have the token generation event, the bridge and listings, and then the SELE deployment will take place. If we click buy with crypto, we can actually see we have the best wallet, Wallet Connect, and MetaMask options where you can convert either Ethereum or Tether directly into your desired amount of SolX coins. And this will be going live very soon, which means it will hit those decentralized exchanges, and hopefully we'll see some centralized exchanges with it. 138 billion tokens here on the max supply, and there you can see the tokenomics allocation and where those sort of splits are going. So for example, 15% to the marketing funds pool as well. So yeah, definitely one that I'm keen on and I think could do very well. I do hold some of this. Check out SELE down below if you are keen to find this little alpha play and learn more about it. Next up, we have Ethereum. Ethereum, the OG. And it has taken a tumble on the week, down 3%. You can see it's pretty much break even on the month right here. But yeah, it did hit some nice highs this month so far, $1,870, but it has tumbled back down another $100 to the downside, which is not so exciting. Comparing it to its previous all-time high of $4,000 this cycle and the previous cycle all-time high of 4.5k, I still think we've got some hope, and I still think we will make the way with this particular coin at some point in the future. I don't know when, but I don't think Ethereum is fading on us anytime soon. I don't think we're going to lose faith and overall pure traction with this particular token unless we saw like insane inflation. But from a market cap point of view, yeah, we went up 459 billion, corrected to 200 before the correction was even larger. So hopefully, we're still seeing on average a decent, 2-year biannual growth here for Ethereum. And it is one of those coins I will keep on buying and DCAing in as long as we've got the correct conditions and the market sentiment is fearful. That's when I usually look to capitalize. So Ethereum is one as well. At these particular price levels, I will still DCA and accumulate more of course, not financial advice. You don't have to copy me just because I'm talking about it. Next up, we have the virtual protocol. This is for a quick in and out because, I've seen it move down quite a lot on the daily time frame, 16%. Market cap, of course, all-time high was insane, 4.54 billion, dropped down to 200 billion. So this is a huge correction. Came down from basically $4.60 down to 48 cents, now up to $1.40. So you could argue, yeah, great recovery on the month, really good, 50 cents. It's 3x plus. So wouldn't be going crazy on this one. Would just be getting into hopefully make a little 20, 30, 40% sort of leverage play here and maybe make some gains from that particular play or perspective and way of looking at it. I think right now, the market does lack greed. It lacks excitement. It lacks true conviction and direction from all perspectives, whether it's geopolitical, whether it is just political itself, consumer, news-based fundamentals, like what is truly going on. And there's a lot of other sort of more legacy-based kind of stocks market, things going on like global trade tariffs that are also capping and bottlenecking the performance of this particular market. So that's something I'm also, kind of aware of at the same time. We have now launched TradeWave fully. You can check out TradeWave, our lovely indicator, which is helping traders across the world make some big gains in the market. So if you want to join my Discord, it's down below. And this will help expose you to high value opportunities. We are one of the biggest Discord servers out there in the crypto world. It's free to join. If you want to get the trading indicator, which will give easy buy and sell signals, you can head down below to the TradeWave website. And here you can actually see you got the pricing tab and you can see monthly is $27.50 per month. But if you do become a Crypto Legend patron, which is the very last patron page, you're going to get the crypto waiver tool / indicator included for free. So this could help you make more money, make those long and short positions in the market, and hopefully make all your money back on the price that you just paid for the indicator. Anyway, we've already got some great testimonials and that's great to see these people happy about it. And in general, it's going very well so far. So space is limited on the Patreon side. We've got a few different packages to choose from. So choose wisely, but all are tailored with, the consumer in mind to create the best resources possible for you to hopefully achieve time, location, and financial freedom. This is a wrap, guys. Please subscribe, like, comment if you're new here, share it with your friends. Got a little speck of fried chicken wing on me. And yeah, I'll see you very soon. If you got to the end of this video, comment down below and END. I want to know if you got to the end of this video. We'll see you very soon. Peace.